Hi, welcome to my channel, and now I am back with a new video. In this video I am going to discuss about how to declare variables in Python, and we'll dive deep into the details of variables in Python. While discussing about variables, let me introduce you a little bit to what are comments. So if I include a hash here, and whatever I'll write after this hash, it will be considered as a comment by Python. Comment in the sense it will not be included as a part of our code but not be visible in the output. Now coming back to the original topic, that is variables. What are variables actually? In a simple language, we can say that variables store values. These are the names that are provided to values in Python. It will be more clear when I will teach it with some examples by some coding. So for example, if I write here a is equal to hi. So this a, it stores hi in it. A is a variable. If I write b is equal to 6, b is a variable. It is just a name provided to 6. So if I write c is equals to 2 plus 3, C stores value 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is a complete expression which is stored inside C. Let us check it. When we have to print more than one variable, so obviously we'll separate it by commas. So when I will print C, so obviously it will calculate it first and then provide the output. So that's why we got 5 instead of 2 plus 3 here. For an example, if I write name is equal to HJKL, for example, and I print name. So I hope that is clear. Simple, right? There are some rules in Python that tell us what name can we provide to a variable while declaring a variable. These are the rules for naming a variable. That is, a variable cannot start with a number. We can never start a variable name with a number like 1 ABC, 2 ABC, 3 BKL, and it can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores. Now alphanumeric characters here means it should start with a character. We can include number in between, and also we can include underscore. We cannot start it with a number, we can start it with an alphabet, or we can start it with an underscore. Variables are case sensitive. Age in small letters and age in capital letters are considered different variables, different variable names. Python is also a case sensitive language. So we have to be very careful with using small letters and capital letters. We cannot use capital letters everywhere in Python. Okay, so we should be very careful with languages that are case sensitive. Any variable that does not follow these rules is considered illegal variable in Python. Now let us talk about some legal variables here. A, B, C is equals to 5, B is equals to 6, underscore ABC is equal to mansi, or underscore A23E is equals to I am. We will check it by printing them one by one. If it does not shows any error, so obviously these are legal variables. Print ABC, B underscore ABC, comma underscore A23E. So we will also discuss about some illegal variables here. So I write hash illegal variables now. So let me declare a variable with 2. Alright, 2 is equals to, let's suppose I say 23 in 2, and then I print 2. Now let us check what error does it gives, or it does not. Save the file and run it. Now see, it says syntax error, can't assign to literal. So here it says we cannot assign this value to this literal because it is a illegal variable declaration. Like Python is case sensitive language, so it should take variables also case sensitive, right? So let me declare a variable age here. Age equals to 23. Alright. And then I'll print age, but I'll write it in capital letters here. Print age. See, name age is not defined. Just remember these 4 restrictions while naming any variable in Python because it is very important throughout your programming journey.